Hello, today I just wanted to show how to build three cards, like the cards with where the content pushes the footer to the bottom, and the card it will grow based on the content inside the card. So this is like a sticky footer cards, which you can use for your as a component for your design. And let me show you how to do that. Okay, so here we have our main with three divs. So each card is a div. Each div contains a header, p element, footer, as you can see, and all three divs are wrapped in main. And what we're going to do, first we're going to target our divs, which are the cards, our cards, and we just do this rule, div. So we do display flex, and we make them flex direction column. And let's see what happens. Okay, so the flex direction column. Okay, and now I'm just gonna add some, already have some styles here. I'm just gonna copy and paste just some border and border radius. Just to see the card. Okay, we have the border, and now we're gonna add width and height. Say we do width 250 pixel, then we do height like 350, for example, and let's see what happens. Okay, so width, height. Now we also want to add some styles to our header and footer. We just do header and footer. I just add some padding. So padding, let's do 20 pixels. And I already have some colors here. I'm just gonna copy and paste my colors. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have this is a header, footer, and the main rule I would say in this, what actually pushing footer to the bottom of each card is this rule. This rule is just targeting the p element in each card. So on p we do this one, just shorthand flex. we do flex 1, which is shorthand for this. So it's shorthand for flex 1 1 0, which is 1 is allow content to grow, and shrink, and 0 for flex basis. Okay, and we do also some padding. Okay, let's see. Okay, here you go. So you see this rule, grow 1 allows it to push content. Actually, it's pushing footer to the bottom of the card. Just out of curiosity, if we just change it to this, just remove shorthand just to see how it works. So stays same here, but say if we do flex grow 0, meaning don't grow, so you see what happens. Footer, it gets pulled up to the main content. But if we change it back to 1, footer gets pushed to the bottom of the card. And this kind of what you might be looking for in your designs when you need like 3 cards in some section of your website for some design decisions. Okay, and yeah, so now we have 3 cards. They're all just stacking on top of each other because right now it's just within main, and main we have no rules in main. But what we can do, we can put some rules for main to have them like line up horizontally. Okay, and for main, what we can do, we can put this rule main. We do display flex, and because display flex, the default is flex direction row. Let's see what happens. Okay, so main display flex, so now they're line up as a row, and of course you might need to add some space between these 3 items. And to add space, what we can do, we can put to target flex items as a group. So it's gonna be justify content space between. Okay, so yeah, that's basically all I wanted to share with you guys today. And if you need this kind of layout for some component of your website, you can use this technique to achieve this. Okay, what else we can do just to experiment. Say for example we want to do, say like, what if we do like hide auto. Let's just see what happens if we do hide auto. Okay, hide auto, it just sticks more to content, but still the footer gets pushed to the bottom by the main content. And this is again because of our flags grow on the P, which is set to 1, which allows the content to grow. And if we add, for example, more content to the P, let's see what happens. Say we want to do just lorem. No, let's just do lorem. Let's just do lorem 5. Actually lorem 5. You see it grows, like the card is growing. If we do let's just lorem, let's do this lorem 10, so more content. And as you see, yeah, it keeps growing, and those items as well. So just the proportionally the size of the items growing. Okay guys, and that's all I wanted to share with you today, and as always, thank you for watching.